Hey folks, ever been told to stop cracking your knuckles or you'll get arthritis? Time to set the record straight. So, when you crack your knuckles, what's really happening? That popping sound is just gas bubbles forming and popping in the synovial fluid around your joints. Research shows this is just a sudden release of pressure in the joint. But does it lead to arthritis? Numerous studies say, nope, no scientific evidence links knuckle cracking to arthritis. However, habitual knuckle crackers beware. You might face some joint instability or reduced grip strength. But arthritis? Not a concern. So crack away if you must, but arthritis, not your worry. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.